Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I am back with another YouTube video of solving an interview question. So this is the coding round question. So this question is specifically asked to me in a multiple interview. So that's why I thought to make a video on this. So this is a simple interview question. So what is there in this question is like they'll be giving us a string, and from the string we have to return the length of a longest word. So in this string, we have to iterate through the string and we have to find the longest word, sorry, longest length of a word. So suppose the first word length is 3. So like this, we have to iterate through each and every word. We have to find the length of it, and whatever length is maximum, we have to just return that length. And we have to just keep in mind that we have to return a number of a length. Okay, that like the return type should be a number. So so let's start this interview question. So by saying this, we come to know that this is a string. So we know that we have to iterate through it. So first we'll create a iterator. So we'll start with a for loop. So I'll quickly create a for loop for this. So here we have created a for loop. So now we'll just print it and see how it looks. What we are getting, we just have to see that what we are getting over here so that you'll be understanding it. I'll just open the terminal. I'll run this. I forgot to save. Okay. So we are, so this is returning the sentence, the whole sentence. So we don't want the whole sentence, we just want one word. So how are we going to do this? If we even try to access str of I and see what we are getting, I'll show you. We'll be getting an error because we cannot access it like that because str is a string. Okay. So we'll try with another method. How to access the word, like how to get the word, this particular word from the whole string. Can we do this? Can we? See, in this, we are iterating through each letter. We are not iterating through each word. So in this, you will be seeing we are getting the word, but we are also getting the spaces. So it means normally we are iterating through each letter, but we don't want to iterate through each letter. We have to iterate through each word. So for that, we have another method, array method called as split. We have a method called as split. So in this, we'll be splitting the whole string. Right now you can see the whole string. We'll be splitting the whole string into spaces. So I'll show you how it looks, and then you'll be getting why we have done that. And I'll console it. Please ignore the background noises. I'll just uncomment. I'll just comment this that we don't get confused. Clear this. Run it again. Yeah. So you can see we have got the whole word now. We are not getting it later, or we are not getting the whole sentence. We are getting the one word. So with this, so in this is the array, okay? The split will return us a array. So we have got this whole word, D, brown, jumped. Right now, what we have to do is we have to iterate through this array, and then we have to take the particular word out. So we'll do that. We already have a for loop, so we'll just change it to array. We'll iterate on this array, and now if we see what does we get in array of I, you will quickly get to know where are we heading. Yeah, you see, we got this. We got the whole word itself, not the letter, not the whole sentence, but the word. So now it will become easy for us to find the length of each word by using a length property, and then we can just return the maximum length. So now let's write that code. I'll show you how does it looks. Okay, the length one. So we can write length and run it again. Why it is telling me? Guess it's not a function. Yes, sorry. Length is not a function. Like we don't have to call it. So see, it is returning us the length of each word. First one is the first word is of length 3, second word is of length 5, then the third word is again of length 5, and the fourth word is again of length 3. So like this, we'll be finding the length of each word, and then we are going to return it. So there is nothing much logic in this. We'll just find. We have to create another variable. Const maximum, that would be 0, and we'll check if array of I dot length means the particular word length, if it is greater than our maximum length. We'll be initializing it to 0 because we are not comparing it with any particular number. We have to compare it with 0. That's why we are initializing it with 0, and we'll create this if block. And right now, if our length of first word is greater than max, so obviously the first word would be greater than max, like the D would be our first word, and that would be, and the length of the D would be 3, and obviously it is greater than 0, so we will be entering into the first block. Okay, then what we'll be doing, let's change this max to late because we cannot reassign it. If it is a const, you know, right? If it is a const, then we cannot reassign it. So that's why I have made the max variable to a let so that we can reassign it. So I'll show you how to reassign. Why are we going to reassign it? So we are going to use the max variable again over here. Maximum would be our array of I dot length. Okay, now it is sorted. So to see it, what we are actually returning in max, I'll just print the max over here so that we'll have an idea if our for loop and if block is working correctly or not. I have commented this console. Okay, so there is no other console. Yeah, we are good. I'll run this. I've saved this. I will run this once again. Oh, yes. We are getting a number at least, but I don't know if we are finding it, the logic is correct or not. We should return the jumped. So let's count what is the length of this jumped. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yes, we are on the right track, and we have stored the maximum value. Okay, maximum length of a word in this max variable. So right now we don't need to console it actually. We just have to return it, return maximum value. And right now interviewer will ask us to print it. So if we run it, we won't get anything because we are not printing it. So what I'll suggest you to show the interviewer like this. Either you can save this return value in some variable and then console it, or else you can directly console whatever we are returning from the function itself. So I prefer the secondary. So in this, we are returning the value 6 and we are consoling it. So that's it. This was easy question, but most of the time what we do in interview is we get panic and we cannot think of any logic. This is the simple thing. By using split we can convert the string into the array, and by converting it into the array we can just have a for loop. We can just run a for loop. We can iterate through that array, and simply we know how to find a maximum number if we have given the length, or if we have given the number list of a number. We obviously know how to find it. So this help if block will help us to find that maximum number. So I hope you find the solution easy, and if you have any other solution, do comment in the comment box, so and I'll give you a like, or if it is a good solution, and then other people can also get helped through it. And if you like my efforts and if you like this video, do like my video, do subscribe to my channel, and please share this video. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.